Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this channel I would like to tell you that I make videos about web development. At times I also go in C programming, so don't get confused when you see different videos at the same time, cause I'm trying to share ideas. I'm not building a brand but sharing different ideas, different videos. So I got videos on C programming, web development, rotating in that circle. And when you see any other video, personal video, that's it. I try to film myself doing stuff, so I'm going to put a link in the description below for another channel where I put my personal vlogs, anything I do at home. So right now I'm going to stick this one to programming only. And today, back to the topic, we are going to be creating an image gallery. So right now our page is blank. We're having only that h1 heading, h3 sorry. So we are going to create a div, cross the div. So inside this div we are going to put the anchor tag href, or this one will enable us to create a link. Cross the anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag is where we are going to place our image source. So check out this. I'm having this folder where you see this index.html and the CSS. They are surrounded by these photos. So I'm going to choose a photo there, like the source I would say wallpaper _1.jpg. I'll give it a width of 100 pixels and give it a height of 100 pixels also. And when we save and preview this in our browser, this is what we are having so far. So we say this image is inside this anchor tag. I'm going to create another div still inside the first div. When I highlight, you can see we are still inside the first div. I'll also call this one a div. So I'll give it a class of DSC, that will stand for a description, and here I'll say add description over here. So that's it, we have given it a class. Let us give also the first div a class. I'll also call this one image. So check out this. We shall get our description under the image. When I click this, it will not take us anywhere, but when I go ahead and paste this wallpaper _1, when I put it under that link and save and refresh the page, when I click this, it should be able to display the full image, or the resolution, the original resolution of an image. So but I don't want it to load on the same page as doing right now. I'll come right after there, I put target, this attribute target equals, so underscore blank. So underscore blank, it will enable us, when a user clicks this image, it will open up a new window for the user to view the image in full size. Or my browser wants to crash, so everything is good right now. Let me close that. When I reload this page, and I click this image, it should be able to create a new window for the image. Click it like this. So far we have tested that and it has worked. So let us add several images in our project. I'm going to copy the same image. Copy. They are all going to be having the same classes. Paste that. So where there is wallpaper 1, I put wallpaper 3. Also change the image to 3 also. I call this one wallpaper 4. Also this 4. When I save this and preview now browser, we will be having these pics you're seeing here. So every pic, when you click it, you can see it in full resolution. Next, let me add the last one. I'll put like wallpaper 5. Also change the source of an image to wallpaper 5, and we should be able to see another pic. Oh, it's not loading. Why? So this is it. Next, now we go to our CSS. This is our CSS. This is our beautiful CSS, and I linked it. I went ahead and linked it in the head section here. I linked it in the head section. So we are going to target the first image, div, this class image, and what we are first going to give is the margin. Shall give it a margin of 4 pixels. When I reload this, you must see it has given us some margin this side and up. Everywhere has been provided with the 4 margins. We give it a border. We shall give it 2 pixels, solid gray, some gray color. When we refresh, must be able to see this gray color you're seeing, those boxes, and it's too wide, but let's first float it to left. Float to left, and they all have to go on the same side, same line. That's it, they're on the same line. We have floated them to left. Now next we shall give it a width like 200 pixels. 200 pixels. That's it, 200 pixels to provide some good space, and give it a padding of 1 pixels. 1 pixels. 1 pixels. Nice. Next, now we are going to target our hover. Like when they hover over those images, it should provide some cool border. Div image. Div image. Whoa, we give it some hover state. Hover, and we say border should be 2 pixels solid. hash 2BA. So let me show you what we are trying to do. So are you seeing that light blue you're seeing when we hover over the image? So we shall go ahead now to make our images responsive. Like when you check out this, let me try to show you here. We want our images to be responsive. When even if squeezed, they be responsive. We shall target div, this class image, and also the real images, and we say width 100% and give the height to auto. Image to auto. And next we shall work on the descriptions. This description, and we shall set div.dsca. Shall give it a padding of 20 pixels and also center it. Text align, center. As you can see, now we have created some good responsive gallery. And if I want to put some cool effect, I'll first come here, give it a transition, transition 2 seconds. I will target the border, linear 0 seconds. So this one should be able to come out in a slow motion. As you can see, it's somewhat cool. And let's give it some margin so that it does like something like a zoom in effect. Let's see. Oh, that one's not cool, but I guess right now our code is sound. Unless we put in some opacity, give it opacity of 0.5, then a filter of alpha, open brackets, opacity equals 50. And I copy this to hover and say opacity will be 10. This one will be set to 100. So check out this. Our images will be transparent, but when we hover over them, they should be able to show us the real bright images. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on my channel. Bye.